LearnInbox, a vision for new style of learning. Traditional learning can be tiring sometimes, and old examples can get boring. To make your learning interesting, LearnInbox has launched project-based learning. How does project-based learning help you? Learn how to interlink multiple theoretical concepts and get a chance to connect and work with 2 or more technologies to build a single project. Who is project-based learning for? For freshers who are looking for a practical experience, for working professionals who want to upgrade their skills, and for all those who want to become innovative thinkers and problem solvers. Learn technical skills and coding skills. More than 75% upgrade their skill set with project-based learning. So what are you waiting for? Get trained to face real-world problems, gain confidence, and solve any amount of code. What are the benefits? Balance time and money. Grab 100% authentic learning. Project-based learning helps you create projects like a chatbot, a self-driving car, and more. Build a project and decode new concepts. Display excellence with project-based learning. See job opportunities waiting for you. Start learning, start designing with the next-gen learning method. Don't wait. Enroll with LIB today.